Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling something that's bugged a lot of us, those annoying Microsoft Edge notifications. Whether it's pop-ups about updates or site permissions, they can really disrupt your browsing. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to turn them off for good, based on the 2025 updates to Microsoft Edge. This is perfect if you're using the latest version on Windows or another supported OS, and it'll only take a couple of minutes to get it done. First things first, make sure Microsoft Edge is open on your computer. If it's not, go ahead and launch it now. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal dots in the upper right corner. That's the menu button. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Settings. It's usually one of the first options you'll see. Now, in the Settings menu, scroll down or use the search bar at the top to find Cookies and Site Permissions or directly Notifications. In the 2025 version, Microsoft has made this even more straightforward, so it should be easy to spot. Once you're there, click on Notifications to open the specific settings. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of sites that have permission to send notifications. To turn them off entirely, look for the toggle switch that says something like Sites can ask to send notifications. Slide that switch to the off position. If you want to be more selective, you can manage permissions for individual sites by clicking on them and choosing Block or Clear and Reset. After you've made your changes, exit the settings and try browsing to confirm the notifications are gone. Remember, if you're using Edge on multiple devices, you might need to repeat these steps on each one for a seamless experience. And that's it. You've successfully silenced those pesky notifications in Microsoft Edge for 2025. This simple tweak can make your web surfing so much more enjoyable. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.